morning. So I'm here and I'm Moist Andy. Uh, so I'm parked on sort of a hill. It's hard to pull out this, but this is how it's loaded there. Oh, this is my setup. I guess that's just how to do it. I just had to head down to the store today. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do then. Oh, it was actually already locked. Okay. Then it's pretty easy, you know. Like, you know me, I'm just gonna go there. I could use a piece of fish, some coffee, and probably maybe some dishwashing liquid and a bottle of wine. I need like all that. Just gonna go grab it. Oh. So on Sunday, I changed one tire, and I had to, because I ran over like a pine needle branch on the sidewalk. Somehow, it was just sharp enough to give me a flat. Biking up that hill always loosens up lots of juices in my throat. I wish that they put a crosswalk here though. There really isn't one. Oh, that's just disrespectful. They expect me to like go over there somehow. There's like a break in traffic, but there's not even an apron anywhere though. Okay.
Water with the Glenbeck program. So Sarah just said,
It is such a long hill
what you just said.
from here.
Okay, I got it. Right?
Good thing is my brakes are all new. I got that taken care of now.
Also, so I get confused on which side I should be.
Okay.
You know what? It's great. So let me give you
It's like almost all downhill from here to the store.
Okay, so
That's one advantage of living around here, but
the strongest argument
just makes the ride back a little more slow. While I'm loaded heavy. Yeah. Goddamn, a little wobbly. Yeah. Oh, it's bumpy too. Okay. There's like potholes mixed in, but the rest of it is smooth though. Oh, I like all the flowers during springtime. It smells nice too. I thought I just heard a red-tailed hawk. Wow, this place is something else. Ugh.
The president is sending Doge before Knox. You know what could happen if gold prices for Knox is actually audited? One of two things. If the gold's not there, bad things. If it is there, that sets the stage for a potential reevaluation. Just like in 1934, when gold was revalued 75% higher. Either way, the gold price could explode.
I go through here because there's no traffic really. Everywhere else there's traffic. It's rush hour. So
Experts say this audit could drive the price of gold much higher. How high? I don't know, $5,000, maybe higher. Find out in Lear's latest report, the Fort Knox Gold Bonanza.
no, someone walked up to me yesterday saying, "How much your bike cost?" I'm like, "Oh, I remember about 450 when I got it. Put a couple new parts on it and some old parts too. And it's about 15 pounds, 18 pounds. I don't know what it is. It's my life though. I need it." So the purple box is along the way to the store. It's like on Gordon Road. Like just off of Shreve Road though. That's what's to the left here.
Millions more downloaded the free Newsmax app on their smartphone at home TV. Reuters says Newsmax is one of the top news brands in Alberta. Even President Trump says Newsmax
There's some lawn mowing. I like the smell of fresh cut lawn.
have made the switch to Newsmax. Free the news they can
I just
trust.
go
So make the
head like
switch
through here.
today. You won't ever
I
look
guess
back.
this is where where the purple box goes. Like down Shreve Road. So now this is Gordon Road. It's a pretty cool shortcut, you see. Oh no. And then the purple box is like right there. You know. Sure don't want to get another flat tire just because of here though. I park where there's no broken glass. Now I like to be somewhat sustainable. I don't just put this in any old car. I come out to someplace like that. Better for the economy, I guess. I really like that. That's cool. Because then now I have an empty bag and I can just fill it up with anything I need. Yeah, the coast is clear. Oh. Yeah, this is Route 7 now. Oh shit, a string of cars behind. Okay. Now this is the store where I like to go to. I don't have any problem with it because it's like love walking in my neighbor's house. Just making sure. Okay, I have it here. Alright. Smells funny around here. Okay. This is how I like to do it though. Just like this. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much. And have a nice time.